Hello guys, Cristiano here. I am a C programmer, learning all those things that I can. Hit the subscribe button, let a comment, that'll help so much the channel. All my videos will be in a fast mode with explanation. I'll reduce the time to be more precise. And we'll face a lot of mistakes and debugs. Everything is calculated, or not. So I'm bringing to you a new library that I'm working on. This library is a work in progress, which means it doesn't have an end. This library will support a new coming projects. This library represents all the things that I have learned so far. I name it as SAT, aka Swiss Army Tool. This library holds all the abstraction that I put on top some libraries. For example, CVET Web, CJSON, and some that I created by my own. The point here is learn how to abstract things and make it easier to use. I'll provide the support just for a Linux-based. Simple fact. I use Linux for development, but can be used no problem in Windows environment. The reason is simple. Most of my projects I use Docker to avoid any problems with distribution. To open this series, the first one will be UUID. This resource allows us to get a UUID string in a lower or uppercase. Let's dive into. First of all, we need to create all the necessary folders. This is the basic structure for the entire project. We have here include, source, and test folders. Inside the test folder, we have a CMake list to edit tests and a root CMake list. We have here two headers, the main header sat.h. This header will put all the built-in includes together. This will help to reduce the necessity to include all the necessary headers, concentrating in one place, and the UUID-H, our first resource. Inside the sat UUID, we create a enumeration to specify the output format, which can be lower or uppercase, and a function to generate the UUID based on the format. Creating the resource file, let's implement the function just created. We need to include the UUID header. At first we get the random value and we parse based on the format. If there is no format defined, we will unparse anyway, but in the default way. To test this first, let's create a test. This test is simple. Let's create a UUID and verify there is 36 chars inside. There is no way to get the right value here, so we just test the size. Now we need to implement the script to build the library. The root CMake will configure the version and the compile flags. Define the folder where will be generated the artifacts. And enable testing. We can create side library using the add library function. To use U2ID, we need U2 library. We can link using target link libraries function. At this point, we just have one file to our library. For use this file, we can use the target sources. And finally, the include directories. This is everything necessary to create a library. And let's add the test folder. We can now create a rule to create a test binary. If we run here, we have the output success. That's all for now. I appreciate it if you get here. Don't you forget to hit the subscribe button, leave a comment and share. Knowledge is not enough. Waiting for more. Bye. See you soon.